much these things cost now on eBay.
Those big mandrels.
Yeah, that's like over $2,000 they want for that. They wanted like $7,000-8,000 for that.
No way.
Yeah. Could be a little expensive. I think this is the 3/8.
Lucky you have a spare.
I don't have a spare, I just have one.
Thought you had two.
I got that one right there.
Oh, just the one gauge. Did you get a new boring machine? I see a second one over there.
New to me, yes. It's missing the tooling though, and they want hundreds of dollars for each old piece you buy.
Oh yeah.
Besides being cheap, thinking about making it.
In your spare time?
Yeah, that's spare time. Okay, which one's this? There's a number on there somewhere.
Turn your light on.
Yeah. Turn my eyeballs on. See, that one's almost worn out. This is rougher than this one. One's a 57 and one's probably a 90 or 3 or something.
57. The other one, I can't read it.
It's faint.
There's a 9 on the end
right
of it.
Here. Yeah, it's right in the middle. Yeah, it's a 9. Probably a 93. We'll go with the coarse one first. Yeah, I'm pretty much discontinuing all my tooling. All the stuff I use these days. Or in the past.
Sonning?
Everybody. You name it, they're discontinuing it. All these stones for these. Stone here, they want like $50 a piece now for them. Yeah, just a stone.
That's ridiculous.
I go through them all the time. They couldn't make any mandrels back in the 70s, but they always made the stones. But now they're discontinuing all those. They just keep discontinuing everything that I use. Everything now is diamond, pre-made, pre-fitted, and they don't care about all this universal tooling. All this stuff here, they're kind of getting rid of everything. Another 10 years, I'll discontinue all this stuff and only have 3 or 4 cutters they make for cutting certain things, and that's about it, I think. This is the direction they're going. Until Trump tells them quit being dumbasses, make tooling. Got a big high spot right there. Why is that so high over there? Oh. I used to have a place to lay my mic, but I don't. So we got to remember our sizes now. You got 31, 33. The rear head is smaller than the front, remember that. This was an 8. That's what, a rear head? Rear head's bigger, right? The rear head's smaller.
Smaller.
So the intake, we got a lot of cutting to do. Oh yeah. Exhaust is the problem. That's going to go like 2 cuts and we'll be done. See, there's no place to put this, so I'll have to lay it over there.
Uh-oh.
Don't step on it.
In the danger zone by my foot.
Yeah, I know. I don't want that close either. sticking way down like that, so it's cutting real heavy right there. As I recall, I only used this stone on this mandrel, so it should fit. Wasn't happy. Still not happy. Oh well. Difference?
In what way?
Different than how the cutting was done.
Oh. Definitely sounds like it's cutting.
Yeah. Very uneven though. Five. It's gonna go to 25. It's tapered real bad. So I'm compensating on how I know it. You have to be able to compensate for problems. $12 now. 21 right there. Anyway, the close to it. Tight spots getting honed, big part is not. There it is, right there at the stage. Trying to get to 0, 200. We're down to 100, half the 100 right now. So it's getting better. Pretty close. There's a panhead. Panhead has a big valve, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It needs it. Not as bad. This one, I'm not sure what this one needs, so let's just find out what it needs. You feel very round, doesn't it?
Nice. Catching big time.
You feel very good. Thinking it sounds wrong. That's when it's already done, see?
Oh yeah.
No more on that one. It's bad. Should cut no more on that one. Yeah, I'll never cut more on that one. I didn't do the intake, did I?
Nope.
It's pretty damn loud. I think that was close. Nope. I have 0. Get a little bit left in it. It's getting close. Close to try. Moving. Makes it harder when it moves. That stone's worn out. She's worn out. Could use another throw out of it, but not that one. That is an L12. An L12 in your back pocket?
I don't.
Why not?
Can't bring everything.
Damn it. L12. What was that?
L12.
Oh. Another P28?
Nope. On a 57, not a 93.
Y44?
That's it.
Ah, wrong drawer. Alright, that's better.
There you go. You got lots of stock. Do at least 2 more heads.
L12 Jade 7. Feels smooth. What's it say? LJ something.
You see it?
Nope.
LJ9.
I want a 9.
This should make them easier to read.
So that must be a 97. That's why it feels so smooth. Well, they make it so you got bad eyes when your eyes aren't bad because they're so damn limp on reading.
Make your eyes bad.
Here's an LJ 87. 85. 85, got a lot of fine ones. 95. I hope this is smooth. This is a fine container because it's all fine in this thing. That container sucks. How about these ones? It's definitely coarse. A 12? It's definitely a 57. I think it's a 12. I think I saw a 2. Must be the coarse drawer. One way to find out.